I trust this person, and like what she says and how she teaches and her philosophies and her values and everything like that. I was like just like on board with, to the point where I was like, I get overwhelmed when I'm trying to, well, I think we all do, but like my brain tries to like take in all of this stuff and then doesn't, my ADHD, I think it might have something to do with not being able to prioritize things. And so yeah, so if there's like a whole bunch of stuff in there, I guess I can figure out like, okay, 90% of this is crap, and then this 10% is good. But it's like, I know with her stuff, it's like, yeah, there might be something better out there, but like, this is really good and this works for me. So I'm gonna sort of go tunnel vision on this for now until I run out of reasons to, like maybe I learned everything and I'm like nowhere near, because she has so much stuff. And so, yeah. And so there are 3 people. I'm going to go into a separate episode on that. Actually, I started making a video like a couple months ago, that actually like, I think touches upon this, but maybe I'll just start a new one, or I'll post the old one just for the hell of it. But anyway, it has to do with 3 people only, who I think a lot of and I learn almost exclusively from. It doesn't mean that I don't like watch videos and listen to things and sign up for this and get emails. It doesn't mean I don't do that as well, but that's like maybe 10% of what my attention and focus and time is spent on right now. Because yeah, if we spread ourselves too thin and we start trying to grab randomly from all these different things, I just feel like, I mean, yeah, it'd be great to cherry pick everything. And I am doing that essentially, but I got to start somewhere. Like, I feel like I'm going to shut down if I'm like, oh, I have 10 people I do this with. And it's like, holy shit, there's like so much. And then I shut down and I'm like, I can't do this.